Dear Jess. Aragonese roast lamb. 10 out of 10 for presentation, right? I wish. Un viaje por la cocina aragonesa. A journey through the cooking of Aragón, northern Spain. I'm in Sos del Rey Católico, Zaragoza province, up in the north near France, right on the limits of Navarra. Sos del Rey Católico, the Catholic king, Fernando II actually. You know, Isabel y Fernando, 1492, the Catholic kings, Christopher Columbus, La Reconquista and all that. Yes, born here amongst these caramel-coloured houses, and probably enjoyed the local lamb called Ternasco, the autochthonous Aragonese breed, which as a rule is roasted. Anyone familiar with these parts will be crying, but that's not Aragon, it's Navarra. Yes, I've crossed over in search of a peaceful cooking spot. This'll do. The village of Ujue provides the splendid glacial backdrop for Aragonese/Navarran roast lamb. Traditional and authentic with simple ingredients and dead easy. Oh, and forget the barbecue, that's just because I don't have an oven. Now around here, if you say you want to roast Ternasco, the butcher will automatically cut through the bone in several places, but leaving the whole piece intact so it can be easily separated into serving portions after cooking. Otherwise, ignore this and carve the meat off the bone in the usual way. So, roast dinner sitting outside in a blizzard. At this point I realise I'm not fooling anyone. That's better. The roasting juices can be served directly from the tray, or slightly more elegantly, strained into a small pan with a knob of butter swirled in over low heat. If you've enjoyed this culinary pilgrimage to Aragón and Navarra, please do reward me with a like, a subscription to Pete's Pans channel, and it would be lovely to hear from you in the comments below. Hasta pronto.